Oh, what a wonderful day. This is my first time school. Okay, here's the school. I need the breakfast first. Yum 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 yum. This is so good. Yeah, I need to keep this. So, oh no. Oh, okay. This is my schedule. That's for my... Oh, I have my knife. Oh no, no, not that. That's bad. So, before the class begins, says in the book, before the class begins, you need to come to the first floor of the room number is 3, floor 1. No, second floor. I'm wrong, sorry. So, we need to get there as probably as possible. Let me see the time. Oh no, it needs to start at 7. Oh no, it's 6:45. I need to be hurry. Oh, there's lamp and water. I don't. Oh, give me in my. Oh, there's my lots of notebook. I need to. I need to keep this one, this, and this. Oh, I have pressure plate. This is not wrong. So. There's too many people around there. I hear them. Oh, I need to pee. Okay, it's done. I flushed it too many times. Let me see myself in the mirror. Whoa. Wash hands. Oh, I'm getting late. 6:59. I need to hurry. Oh no. You're kidding me. Come on. Where's the room? Which room is this? It's the principal office. 1, 2. Oh, okay, it's here. It's so dark. Okay. I'm gonna sit here. I'm gonna sit here. Oh no. What? Okay, what you need to tell? Teacher Ken? What you need to tell to me about? No more chit chat. This is important. Okay. What do I gonna do? Okay, where I'm gonna go in? You need to film my clowns and their big fat asses before they don't believe me. Okay, you need to kill their clones. Maybe which floor is that? Oh, this one. Let's sneak around. Oh, where is he looking at? Peekaboo, bitch. Oh, here's more. Oh shit. You saw us too? Oh, this is the clone. Hey, come here, bitch. Oh, there's my house. So yeah, let's watch some porn. Any more of them? Oh shit. Oh, you hear too? Let's see if there are more. Okay, teacher, I did it. I need to make a lunch break. Can I? Can I have a lunch break? Okay, okay. I need to get. I'm so fucking hungry. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Oh, I took the. Should I probably do it? Oh no, okay, it's home time, it's home time. I'm not going there. I have some special rooms. Oh, this is so funny class. I like up the teacher. Oh, is it my phone? Hello? Is someone in here? Hello? Hello? Oh, they're probably a troll. I hate that shit. I need to jump there. Just kidding. Oh shit. It's home time. It's home time. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the episode 1 of the Yandere Craft. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm just the only one who need it. So I hope you enjoyed that. So peace out. Shits. Peace out. Just kidding guys. I hope you enjoyed